Did you know that the secret to glowing skin, fewer wrinkles, and strong joints is not found in expensive creams or procedures? The truth is much simpler. This secret is already in your kitchen. According to Dr. David Sinclair, professor of genetics at Harvard Medical School, aging is not a life sentence. He believes that aging can be treated like a disease. And if it is a disease, it means we can slow it down, or even stop it in some cases. Today, we will explore how everyday foods rich in collagen can help us stay younger for longer. No pills, no injections, just food, simple habits, and real-life stories. But first, let us look at the 6 best collagen-rich foods. They have proven their effectiveness both in scientific research and in the lives of ordinary people. First, gelatin. Yes, regular food-grade gelatin, often used in desserts. It contains two important substances, glycine and proline. These are amino acids that your body uses to build collagen. In 2015, a study showed that regular consumption of gelatin helps make skin more elastic and hydrated. Barbara, a retired teacher from Minnesota, began adding 1 teaspoon of gelatin to her morning tea. After 6 months, not only did her knee pain go away, but her skin also became smoother and more hydrated. She did not need creams or procedures, just a hot drink and a spoonful of gelatin every day. Second, bone broth. This is not just soup. It is truly liquid gold. When animal bones are simmered slowly for a long time, the broth becomes rich in collagen, chondroitin, and hyaluronic acid. These help strengthen joints and make the skin more elastic. Carol, 62 years old, decided to replace her morning coffee with a cup of homemade broth. After just 2 months, she moved more easily in the morning and felt more energetic. Now she makes her broth from chicken bones, carrots, onions, and a splash of vinegar, which helps extract all the minerals from the bones. Third, egg whites. This is an affordable and simple product. Egg whites contain a lot of proline, a substance necessary for collagen production. Teresa, a 59-year-old woman, added 2 egg whites to her breakfast, sometimes in an omelet, sometimes in a pancake. After a month, her skin became softer and fine wrinkles less noticeable. And all of this without makeup, just because of eggs. Fourth, garlic. Ordinary garlic helps preserve collagen. It contains sulfur compounds that protect collagen from breaking down. Helen, 65 years old, never used expensive cosmetics. Every day she cooked garlic with greens and olive oil. Her skin glowed, and her hands, despite years of gardening, remained strong and smooth. The key is to crush the garlic and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking. This activates the helpful compounds. Fifth, spirulina. This is a green powder made from algae, but do not be scared. It contains everything needed to support collagen, glycine, proline, and copper. Joyce, who's 61 years old, was unsure about spirulina. It smelled like the ocean, but she started adding just half a teaspoon to her orange smoothie. After a few weeks, her nails stopped breaking, her hair became thicker, and her skin looked fresher. The main thing is to buy high-quality, organic spirulina and mix it with fruit to improve the taste. Sixth, pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are full of zinc, which your body needs to repair the skin and produce collagen. Nancy, 64 years old, ran every day, but her skin was dry and healed slowly. She began adding a handful of pumpkin seeds to her salad and oatmeal. After 3 months, her skin was softer and scratches healed much faster. Just roast the seeds with a little salt and add them to your meals. It is simple and delicious. Now let us understand, what is collagen and why does it matter? Collagen is a protein that makes up most of your skin, joints, bones, and even the lining of your gut. It is like glue that holds your body together. Without it, skin sags, wrinkles form, and joints become painful. Starting at age 20, we lose about 1% of collagen every year. By age 40, that may add up to 20% lost. But this process can be slowed down. If you eat the right foods and support your body, you can keep making collagen even as you age. Why do we lose collagen faster? It is not just age. Many things speed up the loss of collagen. Sunlight damages collagen. Smoking creates harmful particles that break it down. Sugar attaches to collagen and makes it stiff and brittle. Stress increases cortisol, which reduces collagen production. During menopause, women lose estrogen, which makes skin dry and thin. So what can we do? Avoid sun without protection, do not smoke, eat less sugar, lower stress, and most importantly, eat the right food. What about supplements? Collagen powders and pills can help a little, but they work much better if you eat the right food along with them. Without vitamin C, zinc, and copper, the body cannot use collagen properly. That is why natural foods work better than any supplement. Eggs, broth, greens, they give your body everything it needs. Do not be fooled by labels. Vegan collagen is not real collagen. It is a mix of nutrients that help your body make its own collagen. And creams with collagen? They only moisturize the surface. Collagen molecules are too large to go deep into the skin. True anti-aging starts inside. Helen, 62 years old, came to the doctor with joint pain and tired skin. She did not want pills, so she began cooking at home. Garlic, broth, seeds. After 3 months, her skin was glowing. Her nails were strong, and the pain was gone. After 5 months, someone asked if she had done cosmetic injections. She laughed and said, "No, I just changed how I eat." This story shows us you do not need magic creams or expensive procedures. You need knowledge, simple habits, and real food. Aging is not your enemy. It is a natural process, but you can make it slower and gentler. Make the choice. Feed your body from the inside. Support your skin and joints every day. Share this message with someone tired of empty promises. Let us age with dignity, not fear, because real beauty starts where no cream can reach, deep inside. And if you've already started changing your diet, as we talked about earlier, you might be wondering, is there something simple you can add in the morning to support not only your skin and joints, but also your hair? The answer is yes. And it's not an expensive shampoo. It's plain lemon water. But let's be honest right from the start. Lemon water will not regrow hair where follicles have completely shut down. It won't stop baldness overnight, but it can help create the right conditions for stronger, healthier hair and a balanced scalp. And that's the foundation. Without it, no mask or lotion will truly help. So how does it work? First, lemons are rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C helps your body absorb iron, which is essential for healthy hair growth. When your body is low on iron, your hair becomes brittle, dull, and starts to fall out. Second, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. It helps fight free radicals, which can damage the cells in your scalp and hair follicles. Starting your day with warm lemon water supports circulation, helps your liver flush out toxins, and hydrates your body. And dehydration is often an invisible reason behind weak hair growth. Lemon also helps maintain an alkaline balance in the body, which can reduce internal inflammation, one of the hidden factors that affect scalp health. And if your lemon water replaces a sugary drink or morning coffee, you're also cutting back on sugar, which damages collagen and disrupts hormones connected to hair growth. But the key is consistency. 1 glass a day, every morning. Warm water, juice from half a fresh lemon, no sugar, no extras, simple, affordable, and effective, as part of a bigger, food-first approach to health. Because hair is not just what we see in the mirror, it's a reflection of what's happening inside the body. And lemon water is one of the easiest ways to start taking care of yourself, from the very first sip. Thank you for staying with me until the end. If this video helped you see aging in a new light, not as a loss, but as an opportunity to care for yourself better, then I invite you to take action today. Start with just one habit, one food, one change. Because small, consistent steps build a stronger, healthier, and more radiant you. If you found this video helpful, consider sharing it with someone who also wants to feel better, move easier, and glow from the inside out. And remember, your best years are not behind you. They begin with the choices you make today. Until next time, stay kind to your body, and it will be kind to you.